Get Museum Bird, first break of the night, 42-49. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 4 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 here. 4 here. Orioles up top. Yankees at the bottom. 4 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 4 here. 4 here. Jordan up top. John Plua at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Orioles did not sort. They're up top for Jordan. And there's your teams, guys. Good luck. Museum Bird. Here we go. And good luck, good luck. Good luck. Again, 12 left in definitive. 17 and finest flashbacks full case. Again, take a team in either of those 2 breaks. And you're getting 2 pulls from the pull box. Empty box. Good luck here, everybody. Good luck. Museum Bird, let's do it. Off the back, we've got Bobby Witt Jr., Kansas City. Jordan Walker on the rookie for the Cardinals. Got base, Ken Griffey Jr., Cedric Mullins. Giancarlo and Aaron Judge, 46 out of 50. Gamer for the Yankees and John Plua. There you go, John. Nice one there. Giancarlo, Aaron Judge, dual little pinstripe on the Judge. To 50. Back 2. Off the back, Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Bobby Witt Jr., Royals. Kyle Tucker for the Astros. Vaughn Grissom for the Braves on the rookie. To 299, Joe Musgrove on the dual jersey auto. Padres going to Josh Cox. There you go, Josh. Pack 3. Christian Yelich. Bryce Harper. Joey Votto for the Reds on the base. Miguel Vargas on the rook. And 9 out of 10, O'Neal Cruz on the primary pieces quad. Pirates and Darren Highfield. There you go, Darren on the board, O'Neal to 10. The last pack should have 8. Good luck. Off the back, Rafael Devers to 150 for the Red Sox. Got Ichiro on the base. Juan Soto. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. The canvas collection for Toronto and John Plua. And a nice one here for the Phillies to 99, Steve Carlton. He's got those Phillies. Darren Highfield doing work on the bird. And Carlton, 63 out of 99. Again, to recap it. Carlton to 99. Vladdy Devers. O'Neal Cruz to 10. Joe Musgrove, 299. And Judge Giancarlo, 46 out of 50. And that is the bird, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.